Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to Chair Care TV, where sharing is caring. Now, in my first ever YouTube video, you guys saw me wearing this unit, and I did ask that if you guys would like to see me do a tutorial, then say in the comments, and you guys did. So today I'll be sharing with you guys how I made this unit. If you're new here, you're probably wondering what video I'm talking about, right? So I'm just going to link that card in the top corner just for you, so you can either pause this video and go and look at my first ever YouTube video, or you can watch it at the end. Either way, do enjoy. For this unit, I used a weave glue, a dome cap, scissors, a shower cap, and Janet Collection Kiss Me Bohemian Curl. It's a 1-pack solution and it has 7 pieces, 2 pieces of 10-inch, 2 pieces of 12-inch, and 2 pieces of 14-inch bundles. I am just showing you the hair, guys. It starts with the 10-inch bundles, then the 12-inch bundles, and then the 14-inch bundles. Now guys, I'm so sorry, but the videos with me applying the first couple of tracks got deleted by accident. Yeah, I am that clumsy. So I'm just going to explain to you what I did. I started at the nape of the cap and I went around with the tracks in a circular pattern throughout the entire head. Now, what you would want to do is, when you're getting closer to the front, you're going to put the tracks close to each other, and when you're in the back, you're going to space them out for about half of an inch to an inch spacing. So again, you start from the nape and you go right around. As you get to the front, you put the tracks very close to each other, hardly any space in between, and then when you get at the back, there is where you're going to leave the space. Alright, so you can leave at least a half of an inch to an inch. So here I have completed the 10-inch and a piece of the 12-inch. So guys, you just go in a circular pattern throughout the entire head. It is that easy. When you get to the front, you put the tracks closer. It is that easy. 1 2 3, just keep going in a circle, just keep going in a circle. So now I am going in with the 14-inch hair, and again I'm just going to apply it in a circular motion. Now guys, a tip: if it is that you don't have weave glue, you can use a hot glue gun. That method is actually better because it lasts longer and you're able to wash your wigs with it. The only thing is though, it is a bit more expensive just because the glue sticks finish pretty fast, so you're going to have to continue buying them. And another thing is, if you're as clumsy as I am, you're probably going to burn yourself a lot. So just be careful, okay? And guys, I did get this hair from my local beauty supply store in St. Vincent, Diamond Girl, and they had it on sale for $100 EC. I would add in the conversion rate. Yes, you're going to see me playing with this hair a lot just because it is very soft. I love the texture. It feels very good. So I think that it was worth the $100. I mean, it was like 2 something before, which I probably wouldn't have paid for it if it was, but I got it for $100 and I think it was worth the $100. Yeah, me being clumsy again. I have glue all over my arm. I always do. But it's easy to take off. All you have to do is just rub it off. Easy as that. Now for the closure. So guys, first you just want to cut off the excess net. Add some glue and just stick it in. That's simple. I love packets that come with closures because it makes the job so much easier. Now what you're going to see me do is go back into my wig in the back, and I'm just going to add more hair just because I want it thicker. I want my unit to be thicker, so I am just adding more hair. 2 spaces in the back. You don't have to do this if you think that your wig has enough hair. If you don't want a thick unit, then you can just leave your wig just like this and go ahead and try it on. So now it's time to try this wig on. And guys, my first thought was, what a disaster. Like, hair was all over the place. I was like, oh my gosh, what did I do? But what I went ahead and did was I just played with the hair until it was in a shape that I liked. And then I went in with my scissors and just cut it to shape my face. Went and did my makeup and voila. Now guys, after this side view, I did go ahead and fluff my hair out a bit more, cut it a bit more until I was satisfied, and then I pulled a little bang out to the front and cut that to shape my face as well. And that was about it. So I just kept on playing with the hair until I felt satisfied or comfortable with it. And that's it for this video, guys. Thanks again for watching, and remember to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.